super clean. Soak these down and spray them off as well. Might as well just super clean everything today. Alright, just from the super clean, the majority of all the dirt has washed down to the bottom of the tailgate. Welcome back everyone, Red02 here, back at it again for another video. I'd like to say thank Super Clean for sponsoring this video. Big shout out to Jessica over at Super Clean. They came on board for the Top Tractor Challenge series. If you guys haven't seen that on my channel, go check that out. We do off-road mowers and we have big competition. And they came on board a few years ago and sponsored the TTC. And what is so great about that, and what I think is so awesome, is I've been using Super Clean in the garage for years prior to them reaching out to me. And I just want to showcase their products again today. They have a few different selections. They have the floor dry, they have the original Super Clean, the wheel cleaner, the aerosol spray, and then these spray bottles. I love this stuff. It works out great in the shop, and we're going to show you what it can do. You can pick up Super Clean at any one of these stores. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead, and I got this right angle gearbox that is covered in years and years of buildup of grease. We're going to soak that on and just see what Super Clean will do on its own, and then we'll do some Super Clean and scrub it. I have this old grill off of a Sears Custom 6 that we are going to do Super Clean on one side and see what it does versus nothing at all. So then we're going to do a few other things, so let's get started. Alright, let's get some Super Clean on there. So I'm not going to lie, what I've actually been doing is using these spray bottles. My hands get cramped up so much because I use this stuff so much. So this bottle and these bottles were sponsored by Super Clean. They sent them to me to try out or showcase. I actually have been buying these gallon and 2.5 gallons of Super Clean, and I'll fill up these spray bottles with the better. It's a little bit more comfortable on your hand whenever you use this stuff so much. But all you gotta do is turn it on and start spraying. So we'll let this soak for a little bit, and we'll go monkey with the grill. Alright, let's try out the aerosol can. We're going to spray and clean up the left hand side of this grill. I don't think I've used this aerosol can stuff yet. Oh, it's foaming. Maybe I have. I can't remember. But we'll let that sit and give it a little bit of a scrub. So I literally just pulled this up off the ground, and you can see the grime already dissolving off of the grill. Couldn't have found more of an excess of brush now, could I? All the dogs in the neighborhood are going crazy right now. Alright, on the left side is Super Clean. On the right side is just spraying it off with the hose. You can see all the mold buildup and stuff like that, and pollen and dirt and grime. And then over here on the left hand side, the paint isn't in the greatest of condition, so it's chipping off, and you can see the aluminum underneath. But where the paint is, the Super Clean did a good job at cleaning it up. And then on the gearbox, you can just see that grease dissolving as well. So right away, the immediate grease and oil and dirt comes off of the gearbox housing with just soaking it in super clean and spraying it with the garden hose. Now this thicker buildup stuff, what I actually like to do is it takes a little bit more than just the super clean to get it off. So if you got something that has this old buildup of dirt and grease that turns into like this tar stuff, I don't even know how to explain it, but it's just dirt and grease mixture built up over the years. If you have a pressure washer and you mix that with super clean, it works so good to get this buildup off. The pressure washer is able to give it a little bit more of an edge and dig down in there and get that grime off. Another thing that needs cleaned up is my sawhorses. They are crusty, dusty, and dirty. We'll soak these down and spray them off as well. Might as well just super clean everything today. I am going to end out this video with me super cleaning my super clean hat. It is fairly well dirty and yucky from all my sweat stains and stuff like that. Yeah, I know, gross, but we're going to super clean the super clean hat. See how that turns out. Super clean, if you're watching this, please send me a whole bunch of super clean stickers, but I need the ones that are for outdoor purposes, because these stickers, I have them on everything, but as soon as they get wet, they peel off and are destroyed. I need outside super clean stickers. I will literally put them on everything I have. Please send them to me. There you have it, 2 clean sawhorses as well. All the oil residues is off of them. I think that was actually purple from whenever we made the super clean signs for TTC a couple years ago. We got the old Ford tailgate here, just absolutely filthy dirty, like, and super clean. So let's spray it up, see what happens. And give it a nice coat and let it sit for a little bit. You can see it's already getting the grease and grime right off of it. Alright, just from the super clean, the majority of all the dirt has washed down to the bottom of the tailgate. And that is just with the hose, no scrubbing, no pressure washing. A huge difference. Once you start accompanying super clean with scrubbing and pressure washing, it makes things super clean. Now another use for super clean, not a normal use, but it is very good at eradicating spotted lantern flies. So if you guys got until they jump on you, but they definitely, and look at that, do you see all that grime coming right off of this tire? I think that one's on me. But just see how well super clean works to get the grime off. It's coming right off. Alright, so I soaked these for about, I don't know, five-ish minutes. You can see how dirty that super clean that came off of it is. Ah! Now that's just discoloration of the metal. All cleaned up. Last but not least, we're gonna do the Super Clean hat. This is my favorite hat, and I'm really hoping that it doesn't ruin it, but we'll find out. Just going for it. Oh, that's gross. You can see the dirtiness coming off of it. Alright, we won't know how well it did until it's dried, but I don't see any more dirt on the brim. The majority, all of this was brownish. It's all white again. We have some stains around the rim a little bit still, but it looks a lot better to me. Thank you guys for watching. Seriously, if you haven't already, go check out Super Clean. I'm not getting paid by them to do any of these videos or anything like that. All they've done is sent me out 2 aerosol cans and 2 spray bottles of Super Clean for this video. I've done countless other stuff on my own. I've bought gallons and gallons of Super Clean with my own money years prior to Super Clean reaching out to me and coming on board. So if you haven't already, seriously go check this stuff out. You can find it at all your major auto parts stores and your big box stores. And Super Clean, if you guys are watching this, please send me a copious amount of outdoor rated Super Clean stickers. I would love to sticker up all my stuff with them, and I know a lot of the off-road riding mower people that have been turned on to Super Clean because of this partnership would love to run Super Clean stickers on their stuff as well. Until next time, have a wonderful day. And if you ain't clean, you ain't super clean.